So do you also use Facebook ads to get more leads for your own business? And are you also still adding the lead details manually into your Salesforce CRM? Then it's time for a change and watch this video till the end and I'll show you how you can automate this. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how to add Facebook leads to Salesforce CRM automatically. So like you, I also use Facebook ads to get more leads for my own business. And now what I want is that as soon as we receive a new lead from Facebook ads, I want to create a new contact in Salesforce using the same details so that my sales team can follow up quickly and efficiently. So to do this, we are going to create a connection between Facebook lead ads and Salesforce. And we are going to create this connection without knowing any programming or coding language using an amazing automation software which is Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to create this amazing automation for your own business, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So let's create a connection between Facebook lead ads and Salesforce. So to do this, we're going to open a new tab and search for the landing page of Pabbly Connect by typing pabbly.com/connect in our browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Over here, you're going to get two options on the landing page of Pabbly Connect. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you're a new user, click on this sign up for free and open Pabbly Connect, and you're going to get 100 of free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. I'm an existing user, so if you are an existing user like me, simply click on this sign in and open all Pabbly apps. Now you have to select Pabbly Connect and click on this access now. After selecting this, it is going to open the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, so click on this create workflow and select your workflow builder. You have two options, the new one or the classic one. So the new workflow builder is faster, flexible and ideal for those who want a modern interface, while the classic one on the other hand is stable, has a familiar approach and ideal for those who want to try it and test it setup. So you can use any one from this. I'm going to use this new workflow builder, so let's select it, and now I'm going to enter the workflow name and select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. So I've already created multiple folders, so I've selected one from this. If you wish to create a new folder, go on this create new folder button and create your own. After entering these details, let's click on this button which says create, and once we click on this create, it is going to open the most important window of our automation, which is our workflow window. So this is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Facebook lead ads. So let's search for Facebook lead ads and select it. And now for the app event, we have to select it as new lead instant and click on this connect. So if you have already created a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect, go on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, click on this add a new connection and then connect with Facebook lead ads. And once we click on this, over here Pabbly is asking me to click on this continue and connect this because I have already logged in my Facebook account before starting with this automation. So it is really important that you log in your accounts before starting with the automation. It makes the procedure easy. But if you haven't logged in, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in and then only going to get this option. And once you get this option, click on this continue and your Facebook lead ads account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now after doing this, you have to select the page and the forms. For the page, I'm going to select my page, which is Prime Properties. This is the page for which I'm running lead ads. And for the form, I'm going to select my form, which is lead ads form 2. Now I want to create this automation for this form. If you wish to create this automation for any other form, select that. Or if you wish to create this automation for all your lead gen forms, select all lead gen forms. After doing this, you have to turn on this simple response button because we want to capture the response in simple format and click on this save and send test request. And once we click on this save and send test request, it is saying waiting for webhook response. In order to capture this webhook response, open a new tab and search for Meta for Developers and open the landing page of Meta for Developers. Now go towards this resources, developer tools and scroll and select this lead ads RTO debug tool. Now after opening this tool, you have to select the same page and the form which we selected in our workflow. So let's select the page and now let's select the form and the product right over here as lead retrieval and click on this preview form. Now let's fill in this form. So one by one I'm going to enter all of these details. So let's say someone sees my ad on their account and they are interested and they fill in this form. So let's say I'm going to keep the first name as demo, last name I'm going to keep it as lead. For the email address I'm going to keep it as lead demo 998866@pabblytunes.com. And as you can see, I've entered this email email address, and now let's move on further. Now I'm just going to enter this phone number as this, and now after entering this phone number, I'm going to enter the city as Bhopal, and you can definitely change these details. These are test details. After doing this, click on this continue and then submit, and with this we have successfully submitted this form, which means we have completed the test submission. So now let's open our workflow, and Pabbly has captured the response for the same. Now using these details, let's create a new contact in Salesforce. So to do this, I'm going to click on this add new action step. For the action application, I'm going to search for Salesforce. So I'm going to type Salesforce and select it. For the event, I'm going to select it as create contact and click on this connect. Now same, if you have already created this, go on this select existing connection and then save. Otherwise follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Salesforce. First log in inside Salesforce if you haven't, and now once Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions, click on this allow, because your data is 100% safe with us. No need to worry, you can give all the permissions. Now one by one I'm going to enter all of these details, but we are not going to enter the details manually by typing it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So I'm going to enter the details which are required, or the details which I wish to fill in. Only this last name is required, so I'm going to definitely fill in this. You also have to follow this, and after entering the details which are required or the details which you want to fill in, click on the save and send test request, and you're going to see that we have received this positive response that we have created a new contact. So let's open our Salesforce and refresh this contact list, and once we're going to refresh this, you're going to see a new has been added in this recent items. So let's open, and as you can see, a new contact has been created. You're going to see the same name, you're going to see the lead source, you're going to see the same phone number and the email address which we entered during the test submission. And with this we have successfully completed our workflow, and now whenever we're going to receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads, automatically this workflow is going to get triggered and create a new contact in Salesforce. All of this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back and again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Till then, if you wish, the workflow link of this workflow is attached in the description box below. Go and check it out too. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.